Well, it's that time of year again. It is Thanksgiving time, and it's annual pie day for us here at the Michael Saunders and Company Lakewood Ranch office. So in short, we go down to Costco, and this year we went to the Costco in Sarasota because one of the agents here has a special relationship with the manager. They bake over 600 pies for us the night before, and we make a big pickup when all the agents that are participating in the pie event go down to the Costco and pick up all the pies. And then we bring them back here to the office and get all set up for our clients to come in and make a visit here to Pie Day. So all of the agents that participate in this send out invites to their clients, and then we have a big party and they come and they have food and drink and pick up the pies, and then we're just able to have a lot of social contact and really connect with the buyers and sellers that we've helped over the years. And it's a really great event. We have such a fun time. And then at the end we have a conclusion where we put all of our pies that are extra that we've bought for the local Meals on Wheels here in the Lakewood Ranch area. And Meals on Wheels sends a truck, and it comes in on Wednesday morning, and we load up the truck with all of the pies. We stack them on a pallet and get it all put together and put it in the back of the truck, and we send it to the Meals on Wheels for their distribution for the people for Thanksgiving here in the Lakewood Ranch area. And I don't know what feels better, making the big contribution to the Meals on Wheels or meeting with the customers, but it's really just a good overall event. And we really enjoy doing that, not only for the clients, but for the community itself. So I hope you enjoyed this little update on our Meals on Wheels and our annual pie event here at the Lakewood Ranch Michael Saunders and Company office. Mark Boehmig, Michael Saunders and Company.
All right. Thank you.
See ya.
Take care.
Bye.
Have a happy Thanksgiving.
You too.